We wanted to create something special for the homeowners where it enhances their way of living through design without being too cliche. The modern and Japanese vibes in this house is a perfect balance of what we wanted to achieve. The subtle curves, the use of natural light spilling into little pockets of spaces, the use of natural materials and elements, they are all carefully curated in the spirit of design. The first thing you see when you walk in is the beautifully crafted round ceiling. This round ceiling is made with experienced and top-notch workmanship. There are curves in the ceiling, curves in the furniture, curves in the carpentry, and even curves in the light fittings. This design is holistic throughout the house to express the consistent look of fluidity and movement. The lights were handpicked from Sol Luminaire Camara lamp. I hacked down one of the wall, which originally the car porch, so as to create more space for the living room. The Japan Cozy Corner was initially the entrance walkway to the house. However, I decided to design and created this in such a way that the natural light can shine in during the day, and these wall lights are to create a warm ambience to this corner in the night. This way, we can experience accent lightings in both day and night. The homeowners favor a fusion of modern luxury and Japanese decor. It wasn't simple to combine two design themes in one house during the design process, but I did so on purpose by selecting neutral colors. The homeowners loved the Japan decor culture, so they bought paintings from a famous Japanese painter and placed it strategically around the house. Homeowners wanted to add chandelier lights in the void area in level 3. However, I advised that it wasn't practical due to long-term maintenance and proposed a round light, Fleet from Louis Poulsen, which served the same purpose and lesser maintenance was required.